Prime Minister in his reply today in Rajya Sabha referred to that incident of violence that happened in West Bengal in a place called Chopra. What he forgot to tell, or what he forgot to highlight, is the fact that the West Bengal Police took suo motu notice of that case, registered an FIR and arrested the people who was seen in that video attacking that woman. What is it we expect from a chief minister or a prime minister? We expect prompt action. We expect that action will not be influenced by any political reasons, and that's what the Bengal Police and the Bengal government has done. So I request the Prime Minister that please do not bring up the name of Bengal to malign Bengal and the law and order situation of Bengal or about the government of Bengal, because the All India Trinamool Congress and the Bengal government believes in absolute zero tolerance against violence, whether it is violence against women or violence against any other citizen.